This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kurt Chandler. Check out the holiday pool home on oversized lot with a very large backyard and oversized shed with plenty of room for a workshop or storage. This home features 3 bedrooms with bonus room or possible 4th bedroom. Eat-in kitchen area and fireplace and living room, private fenced-in backyard. The town of Holiday is close to many beaches and minutes from the famous Tarpon Springs sponge docks. Less than an hour to Clearwater Beach, Tampa, and Tampa Airport. The Pinellas Trail is close by as well. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a pool home at a very reasonable price. Newer roof/newer air conditioner/newer solar panels. For more information, review the details below or contact Kurt Chandler at 727-667-5590.